I'm sick of having to use so many remote controls. I wonder if I can design a remote control that will replace them all. We need one 9-volt battery, a short piece of wire, two lengths of wire, one blue and one green, an elastic band and some sellotape. Using the elastic band, fix the battery on top of the remote control. Then, starting from the negative pole, start wrapping the blue wire clockwise, and from the positive pole, the green wire anti-clockwise. Tear a piece of sellotape and fix the white wire at the top of your remote. And then this is ready for testing. So, as you can see, Oops, I pressed the power button by mistake. So I guess what I meant to say was that this bestest universalest remote control works perfectly. So that's it for now. See you next time. Oh, I guess it's broken.